Have you ever watched another wholesaler in your own market just pull away from you? Doing 2 or 3 times your volume, and you know the guy, he's not smarter than you, he doesn't work any harder than you, and you sit there thinking, how in the world is he pulling that off? The answer might annoy you a little, because it's almost the opposite of what everyone else is telling you to do right now. For context, I'm Steve Trang, and at Objection Proof AI, we work with over 250 of the top real estate wholesalers in the country. We've made over 300,000 AI calls and studied the sales conversations behind them. So I've gotten to watch this play out up close. Who pulls away, who stays stuck, and exactly why. And one pattern is so consistent, it's basically a law. 80% of whether a wholesaler scales or stays stuck comes down to one single thing. It's not your marketing, it's not your lead source, it's not even how good your closers are. It's whether every lead you pay for actually gets worked instantly and relentlessly until it turns into a contract or a flat no. I've watched average operators with average marketing pull 7 figures just because every lead got called the second it came in and got followed up on forever. And I've watched genuinely great closers, guys who would outsell anyone in the room, stay stuck at 3 or 4 deals a month because half the leads they paid for died in their CRM before anybody picked up the phone. How your lead gets worked sets your speed of lead, which sets your contact rate, which sets your close rate, which sets your cost per contract. And your cost per contract is the single number that decides how much you can spend to win a deal, which decides how fast you get to scale. It all runs downstream from that one thing. Now here's where almost everybody gets it wrong. They hear all of this, and the loudest voices online tell them the move is to fire the team and replace it with AI. That is also a mistake. The operators who are actually pulling away did the opposite. So in this video, I'll show you the 3 jobs the top operators hand to AI, the 1 job they never take away from their people, and the receipts behind it. The $50,000 deal an AI booked on a Sunday with the office closed. The $60,000 lead that sat dead in a CRM for 2 years. The operator who cut from 6 lead managers down to 2 and closed even more deals, not fewer. Let's get into it. Before we get into them, answer one question honestly. How many leads has your team let go cold in the last 90 days? Not the bad ones, not the dead ones, the ones that just sat there and never got a call back. You paid for every single one of those, and they didn't go cold because your people are lazy. They went cold because you asked human beings to do the 3 things at once that no other human can do. Answer every lead instantly, follow up on all of them forever without ever quitting, and still walk into every appointment sharp enough to close. Nobody can carry all 3, so your best people quietly drop the first 2 and white knuckle the third. The fix was never to replace them. It's to take 2 of those jobs off their plate. The first job you hand to AI is speed. And I don't mean faster than your team. I mean faster than any human could ever be. A motivated seller fills out a form at 11 o'clock at night and the clock starts the second they hit submit. There's a study out of MIT that's been quoted for years. Call a lead within 5 minutes and you're 21 times more likely to qualify them than if you wait 30. 5 minutes. And most teams are calling back in hours, sometimes the next morning. It isn't that they're bad at their jobs. Your rep is asleep or in another appointment, or it's Sunday and the office is dark. The seller does not wait around. They fill out the next form and talk to whoever calls them first. That's exactly Anthony's Sunday deal. A lead came in with nobody in the office and they had called it, qualified it, and booked it. $50,000 on a day his whole team was off the clock. The way Anthony puts it, salespeople should be doing their highest income activity and the AI should be doing everything else. And before you ask, no, the seller has no idea they're talking to a machine. Out of every 1,000 calls our AI makes, 2 people ask if it's AI. 2. The reason it holds up isn't magic, and it isn't a robot reading a phone tree. Our AI is trained on the same sales methodology behind over $100 million in closed deals. So it handles a real seller objection the way an elite sales rep would, not the way a chatbot would. That's the part the other tools cannot copy. So run your own math. If even 1 in 20 of your after hours leads is a deal that you would have lost and your average profit per deal is 20 grand, how much money are you losing to competitors every month? That's the first job AI replaces, and it's the smallest of the 3. The second job AI will replace is the activity your team swear they're doing, but they're not. and it's costing you more than the first one. The second job you give to AI is follow-up, real follow-up, the kind no human being can actually sustain. 70% of closed deals come out of follow-up, and yet most reps quit after 2 attempts. A really disciplined rep might make 5. Look at the cadence that actually works, because on paper, it's almost absurd. Triple dials on day 1, triple dials again on day 2, a call a day for 2 weeks, a call a week for 2 months, and then once a month after that, basically forever. Be honest, nobody on your team is hitting that. Not for lack of effort, no human can ever keep that pace. So every lead past 90 days quietly gets filed under debt. That's where our client, Jacob's $60,000 deal came from. Jacob was a skeptic. Anything past 90 days, he'd written off, and he figured our AI would be another clunky robot voice. Then 8 days after he turned it on, it dug out a lead that sat untouched for over 2 years. It booked an appointment, his team closed it, and that was 60 grand in pure profit on a lead they'd already given up on. But here's the part that matters for your people. Jacob's reps just stopped burning out. In his words, they only talk to people now who are fresh, ready, and clean. His team went from 6 deals a month to 8, an extra $30,000 every month, and he didn't add a single person. So run it on your own database. 1,000 dead leads, 1% close, $15,000 average spread. That's $150,000 sitting in your CRM right now, completely uncalled. And the machine never quits working until a seller picks it up or tells it to stop. Your best closer simply cannot do that, and they shouldn't have to. So that's 2 jobs your humans were never built to do. The third is different, and it's the part I have to be straight with you about because I learned it the hard way first. The third thing isn't a job you just hand to AI at all. That's the one you protect for your people, closing. When we started, I assumed the opposite. I figured the smart move was to hand the entire sales process to AI, top to bottom, and let it run. So we tested it that way with Stephanie, one of our clients. AI first, human second, and the conversion rate went the wrong direction. So we flipped it. We put the humans on the hot, ready sellers and let the AI handle the speed and the grind underneath them. And the conversion rate went up to 16%. Same leads, same closers. All we done was stop making the humans do the robot work and stop making the robot do the human work. That's the entire thesis. The AI doesn't replace your closer, it feeds your closer. It's exactly what the top operators did. Nick Perry didn't cut his lead managers to 0, he went from 6 to 2. And the 2 who stayed got promoted. Instead of dialing cold lists all day, they grade the hottest leads and hand them straight to the closers. Now the closers can focus on closing and don't need to worry about anything else. Stratton's AI makes 1,200 calls a day and books 3 to 5 appointments daily. His team never has to touch. Stratton's AI makes 1,200 calls a day and books 3 to 5 appointments daily that his team never has to touch. And he kept every one of his closers. The way he says it, no lead ever falls through the cracks. Notice the pattern. Nobody fired their sales team. They just replaced the busy work with AI. The human does the one thing only a human can do. Sit across from a nervous seller and earn the deal. And the AI absorbs everything else that used to burn the people out before they ever got to the table. So look at these 3 problems together. Leads going cold because nobody called fast enough. 6 figures just rotting in the CRM because nobody followed up long enough. And your best closers are too buried in busy work to do the one thing you actually pay them for. Those aren't 3 problems. They're the same problem wearing 3 costumes. And the root cause is simple. You've got humans doing robot work. So the move is just as simple. Speed to the AI, follow up to the AI, and the closing stays with your people. That isn't replacing your team. It's the first time your team gets to operate at full strength. Anthony did it. Jacob did it. Stratton did it. They didn't shrink their business to fit a tool. They took the ceiling off of it. Your growth stops being capped by how many salespeople you can manage and starts being capped only by how much you're willing to spend on leads. That's a completely different ceiling. The timing on this matters more than any single tactic I just gave you. This is the same setup we had with texting back in 2018. For about 18 months, the operators texting motivated sellers were printing money at $400 per contract. Then everyone else piled in and that edge closed for good. We're in that same exact window again right now. For the next 3 to 6 months, the operators installing this layer are getting contracts for under $1,000 while everyone else watches their cost per contract keep climbing. But the moment the big players in your zip code install the same thing, they'll take the cash flow that they're recapturing and use it to outbid you on the same leads. Every deal that used to go to whoever called back first goes to whoever has an AI calling first. That edge won't wait for you to be ready. So here's what to do. Click the link below and book a 30-minute call with my team. On that call, we do 3 things. We walk your actual numbers and show you where leads are leaking out of your pipeline. We give you a real dollar figure for what's sitting dead in your CRM right now. And we play you the AI on a live seller call so you can hear it for yourself. Now, if you're not spending at least $5,000 a month on marketing, this is not for you. But if you're running real lead flow and you want to scale your wholesaling business faster, you'll leave that call with a number tied to your actual business. 12 months from now, there are 2 kinds of wholesalers, the ones running this and the ones watching those operators outbid them on every single lead. Pick your side. Click the link below.